In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure time entry settings in QuickBooks Time. By the end, your team will be set up to track hours accurately, and you'll have control over how that time data is collected. First, open QuickBooks Time on your desktop and sign in as an admin. You'll need admin access to see and adjust these settings. From the left menu, click Company Settings, then select Time Options. This is where all the time entry preferences live. Under Time Entry, you'll see a series of toggles. Start with Allow team members to manage their own timesheets. Turn this on if you want employees to enter and edit their own time. It's great for increasing accuracy and accountability. Next, allow team members to track time on the mobile app. Enable this if your team works in the field or away from their computers. If you want more context around time entries, toggle on. Allow team members to enter notes on time clock and mobile app. You can also permit them to edit past notes if they need to correct typos or add detail later. If notes are important to your process, enable Make Notes required to ensure every entry includes an explanation. To stay informed, you can turn on email administrators when team members add or edit timesheet notes, and optionally email group managers when those notes change. This helps supervisors keep an eye on updates without constantly checking the app. For added verification, Capture Signatures for timesheets, mobile only, requires employees to sign to confirm their time. If people forget to clock out, allow team members to adjust clock-out time lets them fix honest mistakes. Set the clock-out override hours, by default it's 8 hours, to limit how far back adjustments can go. You can also enable emails to managers or administrators if adjustments occur, so changes are always visible. If your team works overnight, split timesheets at midnight ensures entries that span 2 days are automatically separated for cleaner reporting. For privacy, hide hours worked from team members in QuickBooks Time. Web prevents employees from seeing total hours. Sign out after clock in, out, web only. Boost security by logging people out immediately after they punch in or out. And display who's working on sign-in can be helpful for larger teams to see live activity right away. Once you've set your preferences, click Save Changes at the bottom to apply everything. That's how you configure time entry settings in QuickBooks Time to control how your team tracks hours, notes, and adjustments. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.